It's one of those rare sunny day. Oh, excuse me. It's one of those rare sunny day here in England today, and I've decided to do this PIXIE cut tutorial no other than in the garden. Come on, guys, let's enjoy this beautiful weather together. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is a gorgeous sunny day here in England today, and I'm outside in the garden treating myself to a bit of self-care. I'll be relaxing my hair using the olive oil hair relaxer. Yes, we're doing it old school today. So grab yourself a cup of coffee or a cocktail, something strong, and let's talk all things hair. Now, there is a time I had a hairdresser, one I trusted completely. You know, the ones that you can actually close your eyes and you know it's going to be perfect. Yes, that kind of trust. Her name was Marsha. But because my husband was in the army, we moved around quite a lot, and often to rural areas where it was hard to find a stylist who really understood my hair texture. And let's be honest, that's important. Now, I'm a Jamaican, and where I grew up, most of the women in our community could do hair. I used to sit and watch them for hours, plaiting, relaxing, curling. I never really thought I'll be doing it for myself one day, but those memories stayed with me. So because of my struggles and not having someone to do my hair, I started doing it for myself. I'm not going to lie, it wasn't great at first, but I practiced. Over time, I learned how my hair responds, what products worked, and I built the confidence. And hey, look at me now, outside in my garden, sharing my journey with you all through YouTube. Today I was switching out the foaming lotion. I usually use the Nairobi, but I thought I'll go back to the one I used for years, my Cream of Nature foaming mousse, to show you that you don't need expensive products to work. It's about technique and consistency, not price. So don't stress if you don't have the newest product out. Work with what works for you. All right, here we are, all styled and feeling like a brand new woman. I love this journey and I love sharing it with you. But now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment. How long have you had your PIXIE? Why did you get one? And tell me, what struggles have you faced with your hair? Let's talk, let's grow, let's support each other. I'm always here to help and learn from you too. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Maybe in the garden again. Who knows? I'll see you guys. Bye for now. Take care. Still here.